Anyway, I was taking this prescription drug like 8-9 years ago. It's a really good drug for narcolepsy, for falling asleep. And shit was expensive. Like 30 tablets were $1,000. I mean, the insurance paid for it. Anyway, I'd taken the drug for a few years back in 2010. The drug company sends me a letter stating that they overcharge customers and that I should give them all of my receipts and that they would repatriate some money. I'm like, hey, that's great. You know, you want all my receipts from 1968, 69, 1970. Like, get the fuck out of here, man. The pharmacy I used closed down. I don't even know where this stuff is. So they sent a letter to me twice, and I just gave them some bullshit number. And then, out of the blue, 3 or 4 months later, they sent me a check, and I was able to buy, of course, I bought a Sedco 33mm, okay? Because I'm putting everything into my bikes. Okay, after that happens, I mean, that's just one thing with good luck. After that happens, I quit this job, this bullshit job I had at a wood shop. I learned a lot about wood. I'm glad about it, but they were working us to death. And like I said, don't ever work for a non-union shop because they'll work you to death and throw you away. So I'm working for the shop, and I end up quitting, and I look at my retirement and go, well, I got a few bucks, you know. Tell you what, I'm going to cash it out because fuck this place. Fuck that company. And I bought some DIO parts. So, I hope you like them. Thank you.